In today's video, we're gonna talk about human capital in the world of property management. So in today's video, I just wanted to have really a heart-to-heart with my board members and kind of give you an understanding of what's going on in the market with human capital. You know, while many competitors say that they have a lot of employees on staff and ready to supply your association, the reality is that the market has gotten very tight. It's gotten very tight for multiple things. Number one, we recently had Amendment 2 passed from a state level where minimum wages have gone up. Number two, which is what I think is really impacting us, is that there's still subsidies being paid to many employees and they've decided, well, I'm getting paid XYZ from the government, why should I go work? So that's generated a big challenge not only for the association industry, but also for the hotel and restaurant industry. So what is your association doing to combat this? Number one, and most importantly, is making sure that you're taking care of your current team. If you're not taking care of your team, it's a high probability that that team member may decide to leave somewhere else because they will be paid more. So at Affinity, we've always been a big proponent of taking care of our team members because they're the number one asset that we have. As an association, if you're making a change and you're concerned about the human capital, it is something that you should be concerned about. However, if you're dealing with a good organization, they're gonna have a plan of action of how they're going to address that particular concern. There's certain things that you may need to do as an association, such as preparing yourself for what's to come. So with the change with Amendment 2, as of September 30th, minimum wage is gonna go up to $10 and it's gonna go up $1 every month from there forward until it gets to $15. So don't wait for that to happen. Start preparing your budgets now for that potential increase. Now with your other salaried employees, such as your CAMs, assistant managers, and so forth, keep in mind that Florida has not stopped growing. So the pool of CAMs is reducing, so their salaries are going up. So these are items that you should be taking into consideration now that you're walking into budget season. Remember, it's very important to have a very good environment for your managers to work. It's important for the organization that you hire to have a very strong culture. That's going to allow your team members to want to stay at the property and do the job that's necessary to not only fulfill your needs as a board member, but more importantly, fulfill the needs of the residents that live in that community. Remember, everything comes down to the quality of individuals that you have at your property. So don't let that hold you back from paying a little bit more to be able to get that individual that's going to provide the level of service that your association is commanding for. If you've liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up so you can get more videos. You can reach us by visiting managebyaffinity.com. I'll see you in our next video.